Hello friends, so in this video part 3 of Facebook Ads for Beginners 2021, I will be discussing on Facebook for businesses and how to use Facebook Business Suite. In earlier part 1, part 2 videos, I have discussed how to create a Facebook page and how to promote Facebook page. But if you are involved in the business and if you want to do business in Facebook advertisement, then we must know what is Facebook for business. So let's see here, friends. I will show you very interesting thing about Facebook. So Facebook has a separate tool for a business and it is called as Business Manager. So if you type business.facebook.com, so this page will open. What is this Business Manager? It is to manage ad accounts, pages and the people who work on them all in one place. Okay. So why to choose Business Manager? So if you are working for some company, some organization, or you are working for your client, and on behalf of them, if you are running ad on Facebook, then this Facebook Manager is very important. You have to create account here on Facebook Business. See, you need more than one ad account to create a separate ad accounts for every client. So let's assume you are working with a 10 client, 20 clients. So every client has its own requirement. They have their own page. They have their own images and videos. So to manage all those things, you need an ad account, separate ad account for each client, and you can work with them. So you can have different payment methods and you can organize by objectives for reporting. This Facebook Business would help you to get access to pages or ad accounts from your client. If you have clients, you can request access to their pages and accounts to become an analyst or advertiser. So this is my objective. Why I wanted to focus on this is because this scheme will explore a new business opportunity to young students or young professionals who are interested in marketing, in advertisement or strategies on marketing. So if you are using a Facebook and if you are spending much time on Facebook, so why don't you monetize those things? So if you are spending 2 hours on Facebook, let's monetize that 2 hours. Let's earn money by spending 2 hours on Facebook. This is very interesting, right? So then another advantage, another feature of this is, let's say you need to assign a permission to a lot of people working together. For example, you have started one agency, marketing agency, let's say, and under you some your employees or your friends are working with you and they are operating different pages, different ad accounts. So if let's say one ad account or one page requires 2 people to manage that. So there, this business, Facebook business or business manager will help you to do that. So you can allow specific role-based access to ad accounts, pages and other assets that your business manages. Okay. Then if you need a business level insights and reporting when you are running advertisement on Facebook, and if you want to see how this advertisement creating result, then this business manager or Facebook business will help you to understand those things. So you can see the performance of your ad across different ad accounts and get reports of the assets. What do you mean by the assets here is any image, any video, any particular digital tool, either it's image or videos or any link. This would be called as assets for your Facebook ad, right? So what do you get with the business manager? You can stay up to date with your business. So when you sign into a business manager, you can see the others, you can see the insights about the pages and ad accounts that matter most to your business. Okay. So the first thing is, professionally, if you want to work in this field, recommended thing is you have to create a business manager account. If you are an advertiser or on Facebook who shares access to multiple pages and ad accounts with different people, then Facebook recommend that you must register to business manager. Okay, so when you click on business.facebook.com, so this page will open, and let's see, if you want to read more about this, so you can you will land it here. So here all the information is given about the Facebook Business Manager, how to create account, okay, what are the features in Business Manager. So then additional free online learning resources are available, so you can explore all those things. So it is highly recommended those who are interested. So in this video, my objective is to introduce this Facebook business or a business manager so that you can explore this and you can start your marketing agency. So in the next video, we'll be discussing how to create a typical ad by using a Facebook manager or a Facebook business suite, right? So we'll stop now. In next video, we will have a detailed discussion on one typical ad. It's very interesting. Thank you.